Yes, my people, welcome back to Original Living Plus. I know it's been a while since I post a video on this channel, but you know, the time wasn't there, so I'm back out. Yeah, and I come up by the countryside once more. Yeah, man, so I'm going to see what kind of bird I can see today, you know. I came across a few already. I came across a few species of wobblers and also loggerhead. Yeah, man. So we are here now. Shocky's behind the camera. Yeah, so we are here and we are going to try to see what kind of bird we can find. The day, it's in the midday now. The sun is kind of hot away, but it's the only time we have. So we have to work with it. So, you know, we just are going to see what we can find and hopefully bring forth a nice little video. Alright? So come with us on this journey, people. We are treading the bush, alright? We walked a little bit a while ago and we came across one of my favorite birds. Yeah, man, a Tody, Jamaican Tody. We call him RedBreast. Just sitting right here, nice bird. This one is actually resting right now because, as I said before, it's in the midday now, and this bird is less active at this time. So he's not feeding, he's just relaxing. He's just relaxing. So he just flew to a different spot, but he turned his back as well. Can't get no front shot of him. I'm gonna keep watching. That one just flew off in the thick woods, but I saw one more overhead. I'm not gonna try to attempt because there are some green birds, as you guys see. So when you're in the bush, it's hard to find, hard to grab focus as well. I'm just waiting until one venture out in the open. So right now we are going in our open area. The last time I saw some fly catcher, yeah man, out in the area, but it was in the late afternoon though. So I'm not sure if I'm going to see any more now. So I'm gonna give it a try. So we're going to have to over the open area. It's a quarry, it's an old quarry. So hopefully. stop at one nice tree here. Yeah man, that tree here, like I could have get a decent picture of it. I'm not sure if I saw the leaf them normally have this orange yellow looking color, or it's because of the time of year, the season. But tree look nice, you know. I'm gonna try to get a photo of it as well. I'm gonna share the photo with you guys. So moving on, you know, get a lovely clip of the rock here up there, so moving on. Take a look. So this is the whole quarry that I've mentioned earlier on. It's a place where I used to visit back in the days. This place brings back a lot of memory, you know. Just came across a flycatcher feeding in the afternoon, yeah. Nice one, you know. Beautiful bird, man. He's just resting on a guava branch. So we got a few apples, lovely apple tree here. Yeah man, we up in the woods. So we are going to see what else we can see. As I said from early on, the birds, they are not active now because it's way in the day now, sun is very hot, so everybody are rest. We're going to see what else we can find on the way back, alright? Yeah man, so hopefully we can find a few more species of birds. So we come to the end of the hike, you know. We reaching at the afternoon, you know, and you know, we're heading out of the bush. You know, I saw a few birds, hear a lot, but no capture a lot. I think I capture 4 species. And you know, it's because of the timing. We came out too early and the sun was too hot, so most of the birds, they are resting, they are not active. Further down, we are going to make a few more hikes like these, so hopefully we can capture some more birds and get the timing right. Alright? Yeah man, so we are going to wrap up this one now. And remember guys, if you like what I'm doing right here, you like the wildlife, subscribe to the channel. Yeah man, share with your families and friends. And we'll see you in the next one, alright?